In a world where creativity can sometimes feel limited by traditional methods, the emergence of AI-generated brain-rot videos is capturing the imagination of the internet, particularly among the younger demographic. These quirky videos showcase outlandish characters, like a sneaker-wearing shark or a ballerina with a cappuccino for a head, that are not only amusing, but also stir curiosity. One of the key players in this burgeoning trend is an innovative startup called OpenArt, which was established in 2022 by two former Google employees. Since its inception, the company has attracted a strong user base, currently boasting approximately 3 million active users each month. Recently, OpenArt has unveiled an exciting new feature known as One-Click Story, currently available in open beta. This user-friendly tool empowers individuals to compose a one-sentence summary, a script, or even a song, and seamlessly transform it into a 1-minute video, possessing a distinctly crafted story arc. This functionality caters to a range of creative endeavors, from light-hearted TikTok clips to more substantive content, like educational explainer videos or music visuals intended for platforms like YouTube. OpenArt envisions utilizing this feature for marketing purposes as well, thereby broadening its potential applications. To facilitate the creation process, One-Click Story offers 3 distinctive templates: character vlog, music video, and explainer. When opting for the character vlog template, users can upload an image of their desired character and submit a prompt to dictate the narrative. Should users choose to include a song, the software intelligently analyzes the lyrics to create animations that resonate with the song's themes, such as depicting flowers blooming in synchronization with the music's mood. Refining individual clips is straightforward. The platform integrates over 50 advanced AI models, including options like DALL-E 3, GPT, Imagen, Flux Context, and Stable Diffusion, allowing users to select their preferred creative tools. The primary ambition behind this new feature is to simplify the process of becoming an AI creator, as this medium continues to gain popularity, despite the controversies that surround it. While these AI tools provide valuable resources, enabling quick production of content featuring original characters and stories, they also raise a multitude of ethical concerns. These include the mimicry of established artists' styles, questions surrounding intellectual property rights, and the potential for misuse resulting in miscommunication. During initial testing, it became evident that the character vlog option may tiptoe into legally ambiguous territory due to its character selections, including icons like Pikachu, SpongeBob, and Super Mario, which carry the risk of infringing on established intellectual property rights. A recent lawsuit by Disney and Universal against AI company Midjourney over AI-generated imagery underlines these concerns and signals a growing need for clarity in this domain. Users should be vigilant, as publishing videos that are deemed to violate copyright could lead to their removal from social media platforms, and contributors may face legal repercussions if implicated in such infringements. In addressing these issues, Coco Mao, co-founder and CEO, remarked to TechCrunch, "We make a concerted effort to navigate around IP infringement. Our models default to rejecting uploaded characters that belong to other IPs. But there are instances where some may inadvertently slip through." She further mentioned that the company is receptive to discussions with major IP holders for licensing opportunities regarding characters. What sets OpenArt apart, according to the company, is its commitment to preserving character consistency throughout a video. Unlike many conventional video models that create disjointed clips that users have to stitch together, OpenArt strives to ensure that both the visual elements and narrative flow remain cohesive. Enhancing viewer immersion, Mao emphasizes A challenge many AI systems face is maintaining a consistent character within the same video. When characters vary, it disrupts the audience's connection to the storyline. Looking to the future, OpenArt has exciting plans in store, including improvements to the one-click feature that would allow users to create videos featuring dialogues between various characters. Another anticipated development is a mobile application. The business operates on a credit-based system, offering 4 subscription plans. The most economical option begins at $14 per month, providing 4,000 credits, which covers up to 4 one-click stories, 40 videos, 4,000 images, and 4 characters. The advanced plan is priced at $30 monthly for 12,000 credits, allowing for up to 12 one-click stories. For more intensive users, the Infinite plan is available at $56 per month, offering 24,000 credits. And there is a team plan option priced at $35 per month per member. To date, OpenArt has successfully raised $5 million in funding from investors such as Basis Set Ventures and DCM Ventures, and the company enjoys a positive cash flow. Additionally, it is well positioned to achieve an annual revenue rate exceeding $20 million. But here's where it gets controversial. No, given the ethical quandaries tied with AI-generated content and the potential legal ramifications of character use, how do you believe the balance should be struck between innovation and intellectual property rights? Are these modern-day tools paving the way for creative freedom or complicating the landscape? Your thoughts could spark a rich dialogue in the comments.